Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the nameplate on Discord. So, if you wonder how to do this, then here you can click on your avatar in the bottom left corner. Once you click here, click on Edit Profile, and here what we want to do is we want to go to Nameplate. Now, we want to click on the plus button. Once we click here, as you guys can see here, we will have our nameplates. Of course, we can see what's in the shop, and as always, you can buy it with either money or you can use to redeem it for 4,000 orbs. And you get orbs, for example, by completing some quests. In the quests, you can, as you guys can see, you can watch the video to win some orbs, and that way you can easily just get it done. So that's how you guys can easily change your nameplate. Now once you select yours, click on apply at the bottom and you'll have it. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.